Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image. This is I made by I think Procreate or Adobe Fresco to smudge the image, and I colorized this image. This is my subject today. Well, I shot this image, original images for a long time ago with 120 black and white film, but this is I made last year with this iPad application to make this image. Now, this is the base image, and also I made from original black and white film to make this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Now I'm going to use two images to get something different, something variation. Well, actually I tried to make some color pencil drawing type illustration this time, a little bit light image. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image blend mode. It's normal now to darken, linear burn. This goes to kind of dark, more like oil paint impression, isn't it? But I want to try something light image this time, so maybe overlay about 70% or so. Let me check the other ones too. This is cool too. Luminosity. Okay, I'm gonna go for luminosity effect layer first. Make group, then duplicate this group, then flatten the image. Now I got one layer here, and I'm going to duplicate this layer all up the top, change the blend mode to multiply so color goes a little more dark, and then I'm going to march down. Now this is the new effect layer. I'm going to change name. Okay, luminosity effect layer. Now I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image and to the subject main image, move out of this group, then just delete this group. Now I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image, move up to top of this group, and just turn it off right now. Then let's see. Let me change this luminosity effect layer. Change to I just want to check. Let me see. Turn this luminosity effect layer, turn it off now, then turn on this pencil drawing type image. It's luminosity now. Lighten. This is kind of cool. I like around here. Screen. Overlay 70%. Let me turn it off now. I just want to check here too. Luminosity effect, layers of light, overlay. Let me compare. This is luminosity effect layer, change to overlay. Looks like this. Now turn it off. Then pencil drawing type image, just overlay. Not much difference, huh? Okay. Now let's see. Okay, how about this? This light image. Okay. We have base image and luminosity effect layer over this. Blend mode is normal, but 30%. We can see through under this image. I just put over this luminosity effect layer 30%. Then I'm gonna add pencil drawing type of image. Blend mode is overlay 70% to get this image. This is the base image, kind of light. So do I need to fix this image as a one layer? Maybe that's easy to work on. Okay, now select 3 of them to make group. Now I'm gonna duplicate this group, then flatten this group. Now I got this image to be just one layer fixed. Okay, this is the base. Today's base image, right? Now just turn it off now. Then let's see this image. Just turn it off, pencil drawing type image, turn on base image and luminosity image. Let's see, not this base only. Okay, now luminosity effect layer, I'm gonna change blend mode to overlay. Okay, about this much lighter, 75%, give it 80. Now this is the image I got now, right? Okay. Again, I want to fix as a one layer on this image. Now, I'm not using this pencil drawing type image, but just duplicate this group. Then just flatten this group. Now I got this image to fix one layer. Okay. Then turn it off. This base image, 2 images, this one and this one, to make something, give it pencil texture illustration from these 2 now. Okay, now I'm gonna, this is the base image I said, so I'm gonna, lighter image is gonna be the base. So I'm gonna move this darker image, this one, over, just move up. Then I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now we see through the base image. Well, reveal with sketching to Bonavo chalk. Now I see all the base image and then I reveal to see darker image, this one. But I want this overall image to be, first of all, what do you think? You just don't use this mask without mask, I'm going to add layer, then fill in this layer with white, then make mask, then reveal with bonobo chalk. Now change the color to be black to hide now. Yeah, this way. Mask is on. Now we are hiding this white layer to see this image underneath. Then let's see. If I turn on this mask on this darker image, then maybe I need to reveal this one to show the base image, lighter image. Let's see. So pick white, then reveal this one. Oh, now I have to reveal, the mask, this top layer too. Yeah, I have to reveal and mask both layers. Well, that's kind of complicated, huh? Well, make it easy. Base image, how it's overall this light image, right? So let me see. If I move this one to the top, then we see this light image overall. Or now first, I'm going to turn this dark image off. Then first of all, just mask this white some part I will see. Okay, now I want to see the lines, so I'm going to move pencil drawing type image, this one, move up. Then let's see, just darken this pencil drawing type image. We see the lines. Then I'm going to mask on this white layer to show the color some. Okay, now pretty much I see the light image. Then now I want to see darker image. Let me see, just turn it on. It shows reveal this mask, right? So let's see, reveal this darker area with white now. Masked this white layer and reveal this darker image to show dark image here. Pretty nice, I like it. Okay, let's finish up. Now I want to take this black dot out from this pencil drawing type image, right? So I'm going to just paint on white on this layer, not on mask or anything, just paint it on this layer. Okay. Yeah, just light image I like. This is white layer on, and light image is base here. If I turn this darker image off, we see only the lighter image, right? This much is showing. Well, this is a pencil drawing type image from top. Then very bottom image is lighter image, which is base image, right? Today's. Then I'm gonna add some little bit more darker image on. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I kinda like it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and Thank you, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.